Well, are you in the market for buying a new home? If so, there are some recent changes to home loans that you need to know about. We called upon KHON2's local mortgage experts at Paradise Home Mortgage to break down what you need to know. Managing broker Jeff Grillian joins us this morning with more. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so this is super important, especially for those who are looking to buy a home and potentially for the first time. There have been some changes. So what are the recent changes to the home loan limits, and how will that really affect home buyers in the long run?
Yeah, well, the home limits actually increase nationwide for the three major type of home loans: FHA, VA, and conventional. So what this means is that you can get a loan for a larger amount with a lower down payment a lot of times and more lenient loan approvals. But the best part is that loans within these limits have the lowest market interest rates, oftentimes a full point lower than loan amounts above the limits, which are called jumbo loans.
Wow, so that actually sounds like a good thing then, right?
It is, yes.
Okay, so what are the new limits then for the different loan programs?
Well, they vary, and they're all odd numbers.
Okay.
But the easiest to remember is for conventional loans, because it's the same no matter what island you're on. It's 726, 525. However, when it comes to FHA, it varies on every island, from as low as 387, 550 on the Big Island to 721, 050 here on Oahu. The funny thing is with VA, they have loan limit, 726, 525, but it's just a baseline. There actually is no limit when it comes to the amount you can borrow with a VA loan.
Oh, really?
That's just what you can borrow with no down payment. So if you want to borrow more than that, you have to put a down payment of 25% in excess of the 726.
Okay, and how recent was this change?
It went into effect this month.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So very new. Okay, so again, that was a lot of information. For those who potentially still have more questions or maybe confused about it, where can they go? Or what would your advice be to people who do still have questions?
Well, you know, the main takeaway here is that a $700,000 loan in Hawaii would have about a full point lower interest rate and easier loan approval than a $700,000 loan in just about any other state, because they're within the limits out here. The loans in Hawaii are 150% higher loan limits than the standard limit back on the mainland.
Okay. So with you, of course, being KHON2's local mortgage expert, isn't there a way that homeowners can view like the frequently asked questions? Is there a resource online or somewhere that we can go?
Yeah, actually on the KHON2 homepage, khon2.com/mortgage, you can view a bunch of the segments that I've done, things to know segments, which are just tips for homeowners looking to purchase or refinance a home. Just 60-second clips, and they give you all you need to know. And then, of course, if you have any other questions or, you know, about what we've talked about or just any general questions, you can always just, you know, give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help, never be pushy or anything like that. So we're here to answer any questions that we can.
Okay, and that, of course, is reaching out to Paradise Home Mortgage, because if you do have any questions, because again, this is something that's good news for us here in Hawaii. So if you are considering being a first-time homeowner or just buying a new home in general, they're definitely the people to call. So thank you so much for joining us and for breaking that down, because I didn't even realize that there was such a big change so recently. So really good to know.
Yeah.
All right, thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.